Sale price until August 15 only. Kabayan, grab mo na itong 2-story townhouse in Bacoor, Cavite na nakasale for only 2,500,000. Hi guys, another bank foreclosed property located dito sa Villa Arsenia, Barangay Mambog, Bacoor City, Cavite. Watch until the end para sa sample computation. This is a 2-story townhouse and lot with 49.5 square meter lot area and 43 square meter floor area. May 2 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath, and service area sa likod. As is where is ang turnover at caretaker hired by the bank po ang nakatira. Magkano? House price, 2,500,000. From 2,630,000, nakasave ka ng 130,000. Malaking bagay din yun. No bidding ito kabayan pero first come first serve. Kaya kung kompleto requirements mo, pwede mo na ito makuha agad. Sample computation, 20% down payment, 500,000. 80% in-house financing, 2 million pesos. Estimated monthly amortization for 10 years, 26,430. Depende pa din sa approval ni bank. Take note, walang bank charges dahil in-house financing. And the title transfer cost can be paid once fully paid na ang bahay. Exclusive community at hindi binabaha kahit nasa Mambog area located. Kaya comment Bacoor 161 para masend ko sa iyo ang complete details. This is Mervy Valin, your trusted kahanap bahay in Cavite. Thank you for watching!